In front of me is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the top right one and adjust all of those options however you want to. First of all, set up an hour. Now, if you wish to use this alarm only once, you can click on this switcher next to delete this alarm after reading. If you want to use it multiple times, select repeat and pick days of the week. Then choose OK. Now select ringtone, click on add new and tap on any song from your smartphone to apply it. You can also just tap on one of those sounds. Then hit label and name your alarm. Save its name by clicking OK. Tap on snooze, decide how many minutes it will take, and use this switcher next to vibrate when ringing to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. Then use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. To make some changes, click on it. Change wherever you want to and tap on the check mark again. To switch it off or on, use this switcher next to it. And to delete it, hold it, click delete at the bottom, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!